I'm Dr. Chen from ALPS Orthopaedic. We are located at Maui Medical Centre, 0605.
Would you be able to share what's the difference between conventional surgery procedure versus ERAS?
ERAS means Enhanced Recovery After Surgery. What it entails is better intraoperative surgical technique with less soft tissue dissection. This will translate to less pain after the surgery for the patient. And secondly, more directed, specific intraoperative as well as postoperative nursing as well as physiotherapy care. In so doing, we want to bring our patient back to their function earlier, faster, and at a better level. Traditionally, patients used to stay for 3 to 4 days after a standard knee replacement surgery. With ERAS knee surgery, patients have the option of walking on the same evening after their surgery and to be discharged home comfortably after 18 hours. They can rest at home and expect a more pain-free recovery.
We've probably heard many of our friends and even family members mention the term hip replacement surgery, but what exactly is that?
Hip replacement is also known as the surgery of the century because of its very good outcome to provide function for our patient. What we do during the surgery is to remove the worn out part of the cartilage, the labrum as well as the broken bone within the hip joint, and to replace them with medical grade implants made of metal as well as plastic. Medical studies have shown that the hip replacement done with the direct anterior approach with the scar in front has faster recovery, especially in the first 6 weeks, compared to the posterior approach with the scar at the back. Patients with hip replacement done using the direct anterior approach can expect to be walking twice the number of steps compared to the posterior approach, as well as to wean off their walking aid with half the time required compared to the posterior approach. For patients with only one compartment wear in the knee joint, they can consider a partial knee replacement. It's a smaller surgery, with a smaller scar, faster recovery, as well as a minimal pain after the surgery. For patients with end-stage knee arthritis affecting all 3 compartments of the knee joint, they can consider a full knee replacement. The top is of course cobalt chrome alloy, the bottom is titanium alloy, and in between is highly crossed-linked polyethylene.
If someone would like to have a partial or total knee replacement surgery and is considering to travel to Singapore to get it done, what are some of the options for day surgery procedures and how long would that procedure take?
For foreign patients flying into Singapore, they can fly in 1 day before their surgery date, and they can expect to be discharged from hospital a night stay after their surgery. When the wound is healing well, they can fly back to their home country within a week from their surgery. We can follow up with the wound healing as well as their post-operative rehabilitation via telemedicine.